Hi, I would like to talk to you about our Data Analyst Level 4. My name is Gos, and I'm a Data Analyst tutor for NowSkill. Empowering your organization with data analysis is a core skill for any analytical professional. So unleashing your abilities to turn raw data into insights to support the decision making is something possible if you enroll with us in Data Analyst Level 4. Turning raw data into actionable insights to support the decision-making process is a part of your duties as a data analyst. In the era of information, harnessing the power of data analysis is paramount for every analytical professional and every single organization. I would like to welcome you to our Data Analyst Level 4, where we are going to show you how you can turn raw data into actionable insights, how data will help you to collaborate effectively with multiple departments and relevant stakeholders to your organization. The essence of data analysis. You have to discover how you can turn raw data into actionable insights. Insights can help your organization to answer multiple questions, such as why my customers are complaining about my products and services, where do we need to open a new shop, what is the average waiting time in an A&E in a hospital? What's the average age of my consumers? What's the average revenue of my products, which is the most profitable product in my plethora of products? Data analytics can help you to solve problems as well. And if you solve problems, you increase productivity, you improve efficiency, you contribute to the overall goal of your organization. With data analytics, you can collaborate effectively, but identifying how those pieces of data relate to multiple departments. It's your duty to identify areas of improvement, how you can collaborate with other departments. But before you do that, you need to understand your data first, the one that really matters to you. The data analysis process has multiple steps. Start with collecting data, but before you collect data, you need to understand the problems. You need to understand what questions you want to answer, how these problems and questions relate to the overall business objective of your organization. Once you collect the data, you need to clean it, transform it, identify patterns, relationships, how pieces of data relate to each other. Then you need to model the data. And when you model the data is when you identify how pieces of data connect to each other. Data modeling is essential to identify patterns, trends, and relationships between variables in your data set. For example, you will understand customer behaviors based on products sold in a specific area, and you could relate this to demographics, such as age, ethnicity, and also incomes. Once you understand those relationships between variables, then you can identify the right visualizations aligned to your customer requirements. And this is important for you to consider. Defining an acceptance criteria of your data products with your customers, in this case, your internal stakeholders, your external stakeholders. They are your data consumers. So you need to include them in an iterative process to have the best outcomes of your data analysis. Your data visualization should be aligned to your customer needs for them to understand and easily make decisions and transform this decision into actions, and then you can drive change. In data analytics, collaboration is key. And as a data analyst, you will be working closely with internal stakeholders and external stakeholders. Whereas optimizing internal processes or providing external services based on data products, and collaboration plays a pivotal role for you. We will equip you with multiple tools where you're going to learn how to collaborate internally and externally, and also we will give you accessibility to develop your soft skills. Data analyst mindset is not just about technical, it's about developing soft skills such as problem solving, communication skills, business acumen, collaboration, as well as negotiations. And you also need to embed public speaking, because if you have to present the summary and the results of your data analysis to drive change in your organization, you have to communicate. So you need to develop your communication skills to the maximum level. As a data analyst, we also offer you opportunities to develop yourself according to what you really need, to what you want. So we offer multiple platforms so you can follow up with activities and learning in distance. In these particular platforms, you will have access to a plethora of courses, from technical aspects to soft skill aspects, or any particular interest that you would like to develop. We also offer you a series of webinars where we invite multiple experts from different industries and different parts of the world to talk to you about how they face problems, how they share experiences related to resolutions, developing new products, how they can handle particular situations internally and externally. So we invite you to join Data Analyst Level 4. As a data professional, you have to embrace change and innovation. And as I mentioned before, data analytics links to technology trends. So you have to adjust to changes in the environment, in the industry, and also in the tools that you use. Change and management of this change is not easy. So you will have to be a driver of this change in your organization, especially if you want to create impact in the way you provide services, you create new products, you meet the needs of your internal and external stakeholders, and also how you meet the needs of your real customers who make revenue for your organization. Becoming a data stewardship requires a lot of responsibilities, and this will be the case that you may need to sit with the compliance team, the data governance, or sometimes with finance, or even create everything from zero. Welcome on board, and I invite you to join Data Analytics Level 4.